Make a quick, permanent repair with peel and stick patches, backed by a silicone-based adhesive that sticks to Silnylon tents and tarps. Apply to silicone-treated fabrics and materials including silpoly, nylon, vinyl, and even rubber. Kit includes 2 sheer, ripstop nylon patches, 3 inches by 5 inches. Use it to patch up holes and tears on ultralight backpacks, hammocks, stuff sacks, ponchos and sleeping bags. Fix rips with this washable patch featuring a waterproof silicone coating that can stand up to machine washing and stormy weather. Be prepared for tears with an easy repair that actually works on Silnylon gear. Only silicone adhesives bond to silicone. Sport type, camping, hiking. Top reviews from the United States. I must have. I bought this to do some quick field repairs on a nylon tarp I use, and they are exactly what one needs. They are light, sized appropriately, easy to use, and just plain work. The application is simple and straightforward, and the adhesive seems very good. I highly recommend these for anyone who carries and uses a Silnylon tarp on a routine basis.